So, in order to be on top, you gotta do the shit that no one wants to do. It is 6:23 a.m. It's rise and grind. Today's gonna be pretty interesting, man. We got very lucky. We got permission from the Fontainebleau Hotel to bring a whole bunch of our cars. We're talking about like 8 to 10 vehicles. And we're gonna be able to pull off a pretty cool photo shoot and create some cool content, but there's a little twist to it. I'm not gonna give the whole secret out, but you'll see what I mean in a couple of minutes. The coolest part is the permission from the Fontainebleau Hotel. This has never been done before. This is the first time actually bringing a majority of the fun cars, the colorful cars. We bought this yellow, the 650S McLaren, but the green Aventador, the couple of Urises that were very colorful. One's red, one's yellow. We got a brand new orange R8. I'm definitely missing something here, but you'll see all the cars there. I believe we got one of our Huracans, one of the Dawns there, and each car is unique by itself because of the color. So we decided to make the Skittles collection, and those things are going to be very colorful and loud. So by the time we get there and the sun will come out, create a lot of cool content. And like I mentioned, there's a little twist to it, so you'll find out what that twist means. There she is. We're pulling up to the Fontainebleau Hotel right now. I'm excited because all the boys are just about to pull up as well at the same time. So this is gonna be interesting. Yeah! freestyle to the beat. Yo, my name is Lee. I like to freestyle to the beat. Can't do the rest because I'm too white for this.
That was good.
That was good? All right, cool.
Yeah,
Ready?
that was good, man.
Good audio.
So, we just pulled off a really epic photo shoot. Thanks to Fontainebleau for making this happen and pulling this off. This is crazy. I want to introduce my boys here. Please introduce yourself one at a time.
We are Iphlow. I'm Super Mario.
I'm B-Boy Lego.
You guys killed it today, man.
Thank you, man.
I love it. Fucking crazy shit.
Yo,
6 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, we had a blast.
And windmills. Insane. Man, we made this happen. Again, it wasn't possible for Fontainebleau making this happen. Really appreciate it. If you haven't been here at the hotel yet, this is the sickest hotel in the state of Florida.
Yeah.
And we brought out all the colorful cars, the Skittle collection as we like to call it. All the colorful, high-end, like the yellow McLaren, a couple of the green Lamborghinis. We made it happen. So, how'd you guys get into this, man? Become B-boys? This is not like some...
This back in the 90s we started, but as a crew we started in 2009. I started back in 96. My man right here's way before that.
94. Yeah.
Inspired by
25 years.
Inspired by just watching it. I saw it on MTV. You want to say like Run DMC. So
I got a couple moves myself. I try to do this little breakdance
we
thing.
saw, man. We saw.
Back in middle school. That's where I killed. That's where it ended, though. That's where I stayed.
That's where it ended.
Man, how old are you again? I gotta ask.
Ah, man, I'm 39 years old, man.
That's amazing.
Thank
Props
you,
for
man.
this.
Appreciate it. Yes.
Killed it.
Yes, thank
Bro,
you, man.
any one of those moves will send you straight to the hospital.
It's passion.
This
It's
time,
passion.
yes.
Yes. 6 in the morning. Yes.
Amazing, man. You guys really
Thank you, man.
appreciate it.
we have an event coming up next year. It's FanFest 2020. Iphlow Jam 2020, but that's towards the end of the year. But yeah, man, just want to give a shout out to MPH Club. Thank you for having us.
Yes.
Iphlow crew, we live 305, baby. We're here.
We had a blast.
Fontainebleau.
We had a blast, man. Thank you for real for having us right now. Like you said, it's 6 in the morning, but we still pulled it through. Everybody working as a team. We made this happen.
So thank you guys.
Hey, how do we find you guys on Instagram? Oh,
IPHLOW, Iphlow.
nice.
Yes.
Thanks.
B-Boy Lego and
Super Mario.
on Instagram.
All right, man, that's a wrap. Everybody at the Fontainebleau helped us lock down this parking lot. We parked 6 exotic vehicles, got 2 amazing breakdancers from a local Miami crew, and we turned up at 6 in the morning. And that's what it's like working at MPH Club. It's something crazy every day. I love this job. That's it.
When the whole white fleet, when we first started, one of our first photo shoots, I remember we had like 8 cars lined up in front of the hangar with the airplane. That was our first location at the Opelika airport. And that was beautiful. White airplane, white hangar, 8 white cars. They were just epic. And then eventually we moved into Fontainebleau Aviation, which was better synergy for all of us. It was just amazing for them and amazing for us. We were able to service their clients. They were actually happy because we were servicing their clients, and it's just amazing partnership for us. And then over time, obviously Fontainebleau Aviation is owned by the same company as Fontainebleau Hotel. And we had good synergy there, and we were applying and working on getting the Fontainebleau Hotel. It took us a while. We waited a little bit over a year to get in there, and that was our second location, our first hotel. We got into the Fontainebleau Hotel. It wasn't just your ordinary hotel. Obviously, this hotel is the biggest hotel in the state of Florida. We got 1,500 rooms, the sickest club in America, in my opinion, live. And when we got in there, I was just blown away. Between having Fontainebleau Aviation and Fontainebleau Hotel, it was just amazing for us with the whole white fleet. That was the beginning. And then obviously we outgrew that real quickly, and now we have over 8 locations here in South Florida. We're in process of opening a location right now in Orlando, which is our newest location. Very happy and proud of that location because we have a huge demand there for all of our clients. Now we're able to service them. We do right now, but it's a mission. We have to transport the vehicles back and forth. By us having a physical location in the Orlando city, will be easier for our clientele to pick up and drop off cars there. It just makes sense. And I'm looking forward to it. 2020 is going to be a really, really strong year for us.